We have added a colour sensor to the front of our Fusion robot as shown in the attached image. This makes a rather busy front of our robot with 4 single sensors and 1 double sensor. However, in this program we will only be using the colour sensor. Fusion's colour sensor will detect the colour and allocate a number to the colour or shade. According to this diagram, we will use 2 or 3 as these are both shades of blue and we have a blue cardboard arena. Suppose we want to test the colour sensor by putting it on the Fusion robot and using the robot in a SUMO type situation where the robot goes to the edge of the blue arena, detects the edge, goes backwards to the middle of the arena, turns a bit, and then continues this process to check whether or not we can actually detect the difference between blue and the surrounding areas. To do this, we must first tell the colour sensor the frequency of the electricity supply in our country. In Tasmania, this is 50 Hertz. In the United States, it is 60 Hertz. And in the rest of the world's countries it varies, and you can look up the frequency in this reference in Wikipedia. In this second push function, we first of all repeat and continually check whether the colour number is either 2 or 3, which are the 2 blue values we're looking at, and while it's either 2 or 3, we keep driving forward at speed 50. When it stops seeing blue, it drops out and then drives backwards at speed -40 for 2 seconds to return to the middle of the blue arena. This is the complete program which we'll use to test the colour sensor on our blue arena, and let's see how it works in practice.